Hello everybody, it's Crazy Colton. Today I'm here to tell you something about our cat. Well, as you can see on the door, he had kittens. They just did it today. Because he just had kittens today. No other cat can go in there. I'm really not going in there, but I'll just give you a look to see, so you can see what she's doing. So there's Ginger up there, as you can see. She's kind of just all protective, tired too. Your kittens are in that box, if you can see it. Yeah, and he's just hopping everywhere, of course. He's probably tired. If you can hear him. Come on, kittens. I can hear him. Maybe you can't, but I can't probably not get up there. Maybe I could try as far as I can get, but yeah. Well, yep, that you know, I'll probably put more photos and stuff of them, videos, the kittens. Just like I did with the puppies, of course. That was a big deal. And also I can just show you some of my horses. And yes, I will be doing a horse riding video because Amber USA asked me to do it, so I'm probably going to do it sometime. And yeah, so here's some of the horses. So that one is forget, but you know, it's hard to remember. Maybe it's Breezy, I think. And that's Breezy. That horse right there, that's my horse. Her name's Roxy. And yeah, and then there's also the horse back there. I think that's Kusa. And yeah, that's the horses over there. And I can just show you the miniature horses too, just because I don't know. Oh, and here's Blackjack, just wandering around. Yeah, and also make sure to subscribe to Miss Tay Tay, or Mr. Bun Bun, or whatever you call it. This is Bun Bun. And Amberville USA, and yeah. Subscribe to those two channels, and to me. And also here is the miniature horses. So yeah, there's Tilly, is the one I'm zooming in on, and Mop Top. And then that one right there is Dusty. And then there's not Durka. Durka sadly passed away. That's not Durka. Wait, it might be. I can't keep track. But that one is also Roxy again. The horse right there. That's Roscoe. And the horse is over there. I can't really see them, but I think the one right in the front is Bubba. And yeah. So yeah, those are my horses. Yeah. And yep, Ginger had kittens, and I'll be making more videos in the future. Yeah, so I'll see you guys all later. Make sure to subscribe, share, and like, and I'll see you all later. Bye.